Our Mother Nature is full of mysteries, wonders, and mind blowing phenomena that most of us have never even think about. From ancient trees to creatures that glow in the dark, our planet is bursting with surprises. So sit back and get ready to discover some of the most amazing facts about the nature. Did you know that trees can talk to each other? In forest, trees use a vast underground network of fungi, sometimes called the WWW or Wood Wide Web, to share nutrients and even warn each other about some danger. If a tree is under attack by insects, it can release chemicals to alert its neighbors to boost their defenses. This seems like a nature's version of a group chat, right? Did you know that the Amazon rainforest is so massive and densely packed with plants that it produces its own weather? The trees release water vapor through a process called transpiration, creating clouds that bring rain back to the forest. In fact, this cycle is so powerful that the Amazon generates up to 20% of the Earth's oxygen, and that is why it is often referred to as the lungs of the planet. Have you ever seen the ocean glow like magic? That's thanks to the bioluminescent organism like plankton that lights up when disturbed. When waves crash or fish swim by, these tiny creatures emit a blue or green light, turning the water into a glowing spectacle. It's like nature's own light show. We all know that plants use sunlight to make food, but did you know that some animals can do it too? The Elysia chlorotica, a sea slug, can absorb chloroplast from algae and use sunlight to create energy. It is essentially a part animal and a part plant, or a living solar panel. Believe it or not, the Sahara Desert was once a lush green landscape filled with lakes and wildlife. Around 6,000 to 7,000 years ago, the region experienced heavy rainfall, supporting human settlements and abundant life. Climate shifts eventually turned it into the vast desert that we know today, but ancient rock paintings still show images of giraffes and crocodiles living there. Did you know that volcanoes aren't just destructive, they are also creators? When underwater volcanoes erupt, they can build up enough lava to form entire islands. That's exactly how the Hawaiian Islands were formed. They are still growing as the volcanic activity continues beneath the sea. Did you know that there are more trees than stars? You have probably heard that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. But did you know that there are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way? Scientists estimate that there are 3 trillion trees on our planet compared to 100 to 400 billion stars in our galaxy. Earth is a planet of life thriving with greenery. Did you know that flowers can hear bees? Flowers can actually hear buzzing bees. Research shows that certain flowers like evening primroses can detect the sound of bee wings and respond by producing sweeter nectar for pollination. It is like they know that their pollinators are nearby and giving them a tasty reward of visiting. Did you know that mountains aren't solid as they seem? They are constantly changing. The Himalayas, for example, are still rising about 5 millimeters per year as tectonic plates collide. Meanwhile, erosion slowly wears them down, meaning mountains are always in a dynamic cycle of growth and decay. Nature is full of surprises, and the more we explore, the more we realize how little we know about this incredible planet. Which fact blew your mind? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more amazing videos like these. And here are some more amazing facts like these.